Let's go. We got a package in the mail. Imperial, baby. Come on. If you guys don't know, man, got something special in this one. Ooh, baby. We will be cutting one of these pre-rolls from Imperial open, showing you exactly what's inside, and we're going to be smoking a couple of them as well. So if you want to know, are these joints worth it? What's actually inside them? Stick around. Towards the end of this episode, we will show exactly what's going on inside these pre-rolls. Imperial, thank you guys for sponsoring today's video. Let's get into it. And they got me a bunch of different flavors. Look at all this stuff. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different flavors. Ooh, buddy. Come on, man. So I'm gonna go, boom, I'm gonna smoke this one. I don't know what flavor it is, but we're gonna find out together. I'm gonna smoke one, and then I'm gonna cut one open and show you guys exactly what I think about these, and then I'll show you the inside of them so you can, see what's in them for yourself. Imperial, let's see what you got. Is recording? Yes. All right, so now we're gonna smoke one of these guys real quick before we start this day. And then again, at the end of the video, we'll cut the other one open. I got 2 of them here. We'll cut one of them open and show you exactly what I did smoke and what is inside these Imperial pre-rolls. All right, we got the Space Ape right here. We're going in. This is a 2-gram THCA diamond infused pre-roll. 1.5 grams of THCA flower, 0.5 of the THCA diamonds. We'll show you. Let's see if there's actual THCA diamonds in there, or is it all talk, all right? But first, let's try one of these things, man. We got a long day today. I'm gonna take you guys with us. We're going to a facility to look at some cannabis products, and then we're going to get lunch with Jana's father, so that's gonna be awesome. And maybe, possibly, we're gonna go see my uncle afterwards. Full busy day. Let's smoke. Wait, hold on. Do you like to burn this extra paper off? I'm gonna burn it off before. I was just about to light it up real quick, but I'm gonna burn it off. Just like to burn the edges of it so then I can just peel off this excess paper that you don't need. Right? No one wants to smoke more paper than they need to, right? It's a little harder to do when it's outside. Boom. Paper, gone. We don't need to smoke that. Let's light it up. Cheers, y'all. Let's smoke. All right. We have ignition, baby. And I like that these have a nice little glass tip right here. Makes it feel a little nicer. Cheers. Update you guys in a couple minutes and let you see the ash quality. Let you know. Flavor-wise, pretty chill, super smooth. Update in a second. It's burning pretty damn nice, man. I cannot complain here. The ash quality is looking decent. Especially with the diamonds in there, too. Can affect the burn a little bit, but it's looking nice. It's looking nice, man. We'll see when we break these open fully. We're going to find out. All right. Smoked it down to just about the very end. How far do you guys smoke your joints? Do you smoke it till it hits the filter? Do you put it out halfway? What's the play there? Does the taste start to get a little weird? I want to know your guys' opinion on that, because sometimes I put them out like halfway if the flour is like kind of whatever, but this one I'm kind of smoking till the end right here. So let me know in the comments. Let's get this trip started. We're headed to the valley. All right, we just did a quick little meeting at the facility, grabbed a couple of pre-rolls to test out. I'll show you guys a little bit later. But now we're on the way to Grandpa's, all right? Well, Bailey's grandpa, but still, we're on the way right now. We're gonna go get some food, and we'll see you guys for the rest of this vlog. All right, we made it back home. Now it is time to finally cut one of these joints open. Let's see what's inside. Let's rate the quality. Let's dive into it. Let's go. All right, we are going to cut open and see exactly what's inside this Space Ape Imperial infused pre-roll. All right, this is having 2 grams total. We're going to have 1.5 grams of THCA flower, and then we're going to have 0.5 gram of THCA diamonds. So let's open this up, see if we can actually see the diamonds in here. Is it actually everything that they say? Just do an unedited shot right here and show you guys exactly what the heck is going on. So we're just gonna go ahead, pull this joint out. Bam, it's got a little nice thing so the glass tip doesn't get broken. Go ahead and put that over here. And yeah, we're not smoking this one. We are literally just opening it. And I'll get you guys a nice close-up shot too. I just want to get you guys an overall shot of it being opened so you guys can see that we're not replacing it with anything. It is out fresh of the container. Right here, we're gonna just dump it all out, and then I'm gonna grab the camera and show you guys exactly what's going on in here. Man, this stuff is sticky. What the fuck? Yo, what the? Yo, it's so sticky. That's actually funny. That's actually funny. Well, we have a log of weed. Let's investigate, huh? All right, so this is the pre-roll from Imperial. This stuff is sticky, bro. It is literally so sticky. Oh, look at that. That is a diamond right there. Right off the top, one just fell out. Bam, that's actually like a big chunky diamond too. I would assume they'd be a little smaller. Whoa, whoa, whoa. They just got whole ass big fucking THCA diamonds in here. Okay. Well, they're definitely in here, all right? It is infused, okay? There's a lot of these pre-rolls down to like big chunks. They definitely wouldn't be putting in these giant massive chunks. You know, a lot of the time with these pre-rolls, when they say infused, it's either sprayed or like lightly dusted or something. These have actual giant chunks of THCA diamonds. That's pretty dope. I'm gonna open a second flavor just to see, because I gotta make sure. We have a few flavors. I'm gonna smoke another one at some point today. I'm opening another one. That's absolutely insane. And look at the quality, man. The flower is nice, dude. I don't see any sticks in here. I don't see too much. There's a little stem right here. Look, we won't even front, man. Look, there's a little tiny stem right here. Okay. One stem, but there's like little nugs in here. You can tell. If you've ever ground up flour, you can tell the difference between, you know, if it's actual flour or if it's trim or anything like that. This definitely looks like some whole nug flour was used, and then clearly they infused it with some THCA diamonds. Let's cut open a second one. Let's smoke a second one. Appreciate you guys watching. And again, Imperial, thank you guys for sponsoring the video. Thumbs up. Let's try this one. Let's test. Let's open this. Is this one the same quality as the last? Straight out the box. Opened it right here. We got, what do we got? The LA King Kush. The LA King Kush. All right, let's open this bad boy. Open with one hand. Ooh, I can. Look at that. Non-stop, continuous shot. Show you what's in this thing. Okay, that's the LA King Kush. All right, that's this one right here. Bang. Boom. I want you guys to see that it's legit, right? We're not, no fugazi stuff. I'm showing you right out the joint package, right out the fucking box where it was mailed to me. And again, this stuff can be mailed thanks to the Farm Bill. THCA is legal in a lot of states. Okay, let's see what we got here. Let's see if we can find some of these diamonds again. So breaking this open. Yeah, look, immediately you just find big chunks of these diamonds. Immediately. Well, it's definitely infused. It's definitely whole nug. They definitely got a lot of diamonds in here. And they're big diamonds too. Like, you could literally like dab this stuff. You could straight up dab it. So Imperial, man, you guys doing it right. You guys are doing it right, dude. Again, there'll be a link in the description where you're able to grab one of these. Appreciate you guys very much for supporting all the sponsors. My hoodie looked probably crazy. It's a little cold outside right now. We gotta tighten this thing up. Where's the other string?
It's a beautiful sunny day. You know, let's try the LA King Kush. Again, you can go to imperialextraction.com and use code Jimtanna to get one of these for free. With any order that you place, literally any order that you place on the store, you'll get a free 2-gram infused pre-roll. I already broke up with a couple and showed you guys what was inside. You know it's legit.
Big cheers. Also, if you didn't know, Imperial Extraction has over 16 years of cannabis cultivation experience. They've been doing this for a long time. It's a trusted place, man. They've been sponsoring not just this channel, but they've been sponsoring Pine Part for over a year. I've been consuming the products consistently. Their vapes, their flower, it's all legit. And again, it can be shipped just about anywhere in the United States. So if you want to check it out, go get you one. Cheers. Again, imperialextraction.com. Use the code Jimtanna. Get you one of these for free. Come smoke. There's a bunch of different flavors. The diamonds that are in there are testing over at 30%, and they're legit diamonds. They're chunky. They're not just little dusted, sprayed anything. Legit infused diamond pre-rolls. Imperial, again, I very much appreciate the sponsor of this video. I'm gonna go keep smoking, man. Hit the like button. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.